Bullish STEPN cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.73 and $3.26 by 2030. Market examiners accept GMT could reach $1.34 by 2025. Bearish STEPN market cost expectation for 2023 is 30 cents. STEPN presentation. As we probably are aware, this video is about STEPN cost expectation. On the whole, we should view the fundamental presentation of this money on the off chance that you need a decent profit from your productive speculation from it. STEPN, the main NFT drive in light of the transition to Procure idea, is a sound way of life application with social money in play to acquire viewpoints. Jerry Huang and Yan Rong, two Australian programming engineers, helped to establish STEPN in August 2021. STEPN won the 2021 Solana Start Hacking contest prior to getting a $5 million subsidizing round from private value behemoth Sequoia Capital. The green metaverse token, the STEPN's administration token, was made accessible on Solana in WAC 2022. Holders of GMT can recommend and settle on project headways and depository appropriation. Prior to making a STEPN cost, we inspect what is GMT. What's more, STEPN specialized in major investigation. How about we check it out? What is STEPN? STEPN is a Web3 move to procure versatile application with parts for social and gaming finance. Find Satoshi Lab, an Australian fintech studio, is the gathering behind STEPN. The venture chips away at the Solana blockchain, and its center thought relies upon moving around, which is the vast majority's ordinary movement. At the 2021 Solana Start Hackathon, STEPN wrapped the third next in line and was the main undertaking to coordinate the move to acquire idea practically. The objective of the game part of STEPN is to urge a large number of clients to embrace a better way of life, battle environmental change, and abstain from driving high-discharge vehicles. Then again, the social money part of STEPN means to foster a stage that advances client-created Web3 content. By finishing explicit in-game errands, players can obtain different identifications. The benefits these identifications can offer can be taken advantage of to change how the game is played. Clients who have identifications, for example, may profit from lower printing costs, extra focuses, administration advantages, or additional energy. The production of this element is as of now continuous. The vertical estimated pattern line in the specialized examination is the most probable pattern after such a breakout, with the GMT value starting in market cap to challenge its new obstruction levels. These investigations are perky regardless of whether there is a predominant feeling of a bear market that could saturate the crypto business. The STEPN cash and the typical cost are supposed to recuperate considerably more quickly than the generally speaking crypto market cap, giving financial backers huge increases on both short and long-haul possessions. Besides, you should decide the kind of help and opposition levels that STEPN cost figure experiences to anticipate its future. The flat opposition can be distinguished by how frequently the GMT esteem rises and falls during a vertical push. STEPN major investigation. Merchants utilize specialized investigation to zero in on a resource's presentation, habitually down to the moment on exchanging outlines, while major exploration does the specific opposite. Exchanges are zoomed out. This gives them a thorough information and comprehension of the resource and the association that upholds it. The real worth of a resource is what basic investigation plans to distinguish. For instance, by considering various inward and outside rules, you might decide if a cryptographic money is overrated. You have without a doubt heard the maxim, put resources into individuals, not items. This citation basically catches the principal thought of the crucial examination. Financial backers that stick to principal examination contend that the fundamental indicator of a resource's future presentation is the organization's solidarity. For financial backers looking to buy modest resources, this is an incredible strategy. There are many incentives for GMT according to verifiable information. The incentive is improved in light of the fact that it isn't covered. The whole mining environment knows about the advantages of keeping up with the organization. There is no race to get to unclaimed hard cap at the present time. Possibilities for the web are balanced out subsequently. Along these lines, the worth of STEPN can increment, further guaranteeing biological system development. More STEPN can be acquired to keep the environment working accurately. STEPN use is supposed to develop yearly, raising the cash's worth. STEPN is as of now worth 38 cents USD. GMT has moved 5.09% as of now with an exchanging volume of $59,130,534. STEPN is as of now positioned 140 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $230,183,231 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for STEPN to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous STEPN market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. STEPN Value Forecast 2023 STEPN, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The GMT cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 57 cents. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 53 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. GMT is supposed to have a base worth of 46 cents. STEPN Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. STEPN GMT cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of GMT will before long outperform 95 cents. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the GMT's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, GMT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 76 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 84 cents. STEPN Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.34 and GMT might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. GMT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.23 and a low of $1.15 in 2025. STEPN Value Expectation 2026. Assuming STEPN effectively supports market feeling among digital currency devotees, the GMT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, GMT will be green in 2026. The GMT is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $1.73, with a base cost of $1.53 and a typical cost of $1.61. STEPN Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the GMT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.99 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.92 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, GMT has a most extreme value worth of $2.11. STEPN Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.38. In the event that GMT figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $2.49. Neglecting to accumulate the help GMT needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $2.